Hey guys, so I've got the USB volume control back from OSH Park and I've put it together. So this is it here. I'll put the Eagle schematics up in the description. I think I put them on GitHub, I can't remember. If I haven't, I'll put them there, or I'll just put a link to a zip file. It doesn't take a lot to put together, but I did try and film doing these the tiny chip that's on a TQFPN something. I can't remember what the code is for it, but this tiny thing here. So here's a little close-up of it. I made a mistake on the rotary encoder with my footprint. So I've had to put a bodge wire in there. It's not a big deal. I just got two of the pins mixed up. So one was meant to be ground, one was meant to be signal. So it looks pretty good when it's all powered up. I really like the layout of it. It's a pretty simple device. We've just got our ATmega32U4 on the board there. We've got a rotary encoder. We've got an LED connected to, I think it's pin 9. It's employing PWM to dim and brighten the LED. We've got our USB micro B connector. And we've also got some pins broken out for programming. So that's your Mozzie, Mido, clock, reset. I think that's the right ones. But you can look at it on my schematic and figure out how to do it there. Right, so we've got some music on the laptop here. I'll just click play. And it starts. Now, when I plug the USB volume control in, it's going to mute the audio. That's so it knows it's got where it starts from, so it knows it's on 0. So when it counts up, it knows what it's counting to. That gives us the PWM signal because it knows how loud the music is. So when I plug it in, you'll see a couple of lights come on, and it'll also mute the audio. So there you'll see it's muted the audio there. We've got a little power indicator here. This is our PWM light, so we'll just turn the volume back up, and you'll see that the LED starts getting brighter. Now if I take it up to about 40 will do. And then I can also mute the audio by pressing on the button. So as soon as it's muted, the LED goes off and the computer knows that it's meant to turn sound off. So we'll put it back on and then we can turn it down again. So it's an interesting little device. I mean, it's more convenient than using the function keys, perhaps. And it's certainly more convenient than using the mouse to come over here and click on the little speaker. It's just a nice little thing to have next to your computer on your desk, perhaps, so you can easily change the volume up and down. All right, thanks guys.